it's week number 4. Let's go. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Welcome to week 4 in our Self-Care Sunday Challenge. If you have not seen the first 3 videos in this series, boop, there they are. Go watch them, come back. We are doing a challenge where we add one thing to our to-do list each Sunday in order to make our week ahead much better. There are only 5 things on this list, and this is number 4. You have already chosen your outfits for the week, meal prepped, and taken care of yourself, your body, your mind, your spirit. Done something nice for you. So item number 4, you will clean. Ooh, ugh, gross. I know. I'm not saying that you have to clean your whole house top to bottom, your whole apartment top to bottom. That's not what I'm saying. Trust me, behind this camera right now, there is laundry hanging to dry off of every single possible place, door frame, hangy, lamp, everything. What you want to do is reset the areas that you use the most. Your kitchen, your bedroom, your laundry room. You are just making sure that everything is functional for the week ahead. The last thing that you want to do when you wake up on Monday is see a sink full of dishes. Or, I left laundry in the washing machine overnight. Now I have to re-rinse it, then hang it to dry and hope that there's no wrinkles and no. We do not want to wake up on Monday frustrated. Monday, or whatever is Monday for you, that first day of the week, it can already be stressful because you're trying to remember everything for work and because you have a million things on your to-do list on a Monday. Make it easier on yourself. Run the dishes through the dishwasher, complete a load of laundry. Maybe Sunday is your day to wash the sheets. Maybe it's your day to vacuum. You don't have to do everything, but you are doing what you can to ensure that you have a clean slate for the week ahead. Just getting it set. Take 20 minutes and just set things. 5 minutes for the dishes, 7 minutes for the laundry, 5 minutes vacuum, whatever you need to do. Just take a little bit of time, get it done. And you have now completed week 4 of our Self-Care Sunday Challenge. Stay tuned for the next video where we will be talking about the 5th and final thing that you need to do on Sundays to make your week ahead that much easier. That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis.